I'm back here on the back porch doing a little bit more work. Yesterday, I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up a few more decorations. And everything was 40% off in the spring section. So I got this big, is it like a daisy I'm thinking? Anyways, that. And then I got these two flowers. I got a big purple one and a blue one. And then I also got this be kind sign I thought was cute. So we're going to add those to our wall. And I thought I would show y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm going to move this little flower, I think above there. And I've got to move this nail because I'm going to put this here, but if I hang that, it's going to overlap that. So I'm going to move that down some real quick. Move it down. Let's see if it'll work. I'll put it. And I think I'll move this above it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get another nail. Oh, I have to. Let me go get a smaller nail. I'll be right back. Got some smaller nails. They just don't have really big heads on them, but it'll work. So now we're going to try to... I want this to be... Next, trying to figure out... I may... Do I want to put this up here or down here? Maybe up there. Which may cause me to go. There was like a couple other colors, so I may end up going to get the other colors after I get this all done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use small nails for the hole on these are not very big. Hope that stays. Okay, now y'all, I really don't know. Y'all, I don't know. It may be even, it may not. I don't know. But see, my idea now that I'm seeing it, I could possibly go get the other colors and put them like here. I don't know. If I don't decide to do it before this video is over, give me your opinion. And who knows, I may decide to before I even finish this, but try to bring some color onto this back porch. Now, for the be kind sign, I thought about hanging it on the door, but since this just hangs like that, and I'm afraid it's gonna fall. And now I don't know, I thought about hanging it over here, which, sorry y'all, if the wind was blowing, I don't know if that would, sorry, blow it off. I may put it over here and see. Let's try that. Y'all, look at Stormy. Stormy, hi baby. Are you a good girl? Oh, she said, forget the camera, I'm gonna come over here to you. She's such a good girl, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my hammer. I'll be right back. You know, if I really wanted to, I could take this off and just do it through there, actually. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put it through the little holes. I'm gonna go cut this real quick. Okay. Now I don't have to worry about it falling down, so I can put it. Now let's hope, hopefully it's straight. I think it's crooked. Y'all, I think it's crooked. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it that way. Shoot, I can kind of I can notice that. Even I can notice that. Okay. This side is lower. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it out without messing up my picture. Ow! Ow! Ooh! Ow! Ow! Oh! Ow! As I'm sitting here with my thumb that I just hit with a hammer, I just asked myself, why did I not use screws and the drill? What the heck? Why did I not use screws? I don't know what I was thinking. I could have used screws and saved myself a lot of beating with a hammer. Now that I've already started, we're about to see if I can get it in here or not. I'm done, y'all. This is ridiculous. I'm done. We're about to have this little bitty nail, and if it don't work, it's just gonna have to stay. I just can't. I can't do no more, y'all. Put this little nail in this hole. I don't care. I'm done. That's it, y'all. That's it. Don't look closely, because if you look closely, look at that nail. I got a nail way up there in the corner. Okay, done. Okay, y'all, we are gonna work on this area right here. We have this covered porch. My husband eventually is gonna build a big deck that goes across the front, but we just haven't been able to do it. So our boys made this pathway, a couple years ago, and I like it, but I think I want to straighten it up a little better. And I got mulch, and so I'm thinking of straightening that up and doing some kind of a, I bought these little borders, and I can't decide if I want to put them like along the inside of that or if I want to put them along the outside and just do mulch all around it, which is probably what I'm gonna do, but we'll see as we go. So I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all watch, and I'll kind of pop on here and there and kind of tell you what I'm doing. So let's see what I can get done. Okay, y'all, I kind of forgot to pick up the camera and show y'all the rest of what I had done. I ended up buying some more pavers, and I did them side by side, and then we put a piece of wood in between to kind of, I don't know, my husband was worried about people tripping over them, and so I thought that was kind of cool. And we started putting mulch, and you can kind of see, if you look further down, it was a lot redder than this mulch because we ended up going and buying a different brand. But my husband bought a whole bunch of mulch. So my plan is I'm going to put another kind of thin layer over this to kind of, that's brighter, because this is a brighter mulch. And I'm also going to put mulch down through here, but my husband has to spray some stuff to kill the grass. And the little cheap borders I was talking about didn't work, so they used these things my son put around. This is kind of a makeshift thing because it's really wobbly, but I have this here. But anyways, I'm not even sure what that is there, but we're going to end up having mulch on both sides. But I wanted to finish up this video and kind of just show y'all. And then I also went to Aldi's, and I had bought this little planter, but a lot of my plants started dying, y'all. Some are growing good, some are dying. I really don't know what I've done wrong with those. And here I have I kind of repositioned my sign. Oh, and we're gonna also do something to this side of the yard. It looks horrible. And and I have some flowers here in the front, but I just thought I would kind of show y'all that, and I will do a follow-up and show y'all how it ends up looking in the very end. But yeah, the sun is really bright right now, y'all. This is the time of day when it is so bright, it's shining off of the pond back there. But I have these, how do you say that, y'all? I don't even know how you pronounce this. These were sent to me by this company. They're off of Amazon, and they're a 50-foot smart string lights, filament LED bulbs. It says there's 15 bulbs, 50 foot long. You can use a Wi-Fi control app to control your lights anywhere. Energy efficient LED lights. It says they only are 0.5 watt of energy, and you save 90% of energy. Brightness, dimmable. You can adjust the brightness via your phone according to your needs at any time. You can link up to 100 bulbs, so if I want to buy more. Schedule a lighting schedule. Waterproof, water resistant, shock proof. So this is really cool. I didn't realize that you could use an app for these, so I'm gonna look at these because I don't really know how they work, because I have not opened them. I waited till today to open this. Okay, so oh, it even has an extra bulb. And these, okay, these are not, I was thinking that they were, I don't know why I thought they were solar, but I think, I don't know. Anyways, let's see how these look. Okay, they look really cool, y'all. And then here is where you can plug them in. Now this is the part where I don't know how I'm gonna hang these. This is where I might not be able to, I might have to wait till tomorrow because I may have to figure out how. Okay, here is the information about the app that you can download, which I will do. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna attach these out here. Because my plug will be over by the back door. So, by the way, my cows are out there hollering. We have some cows that we've been feeding, some big calves, and my son forgot to feed them before he went to church, so they're hollering. But when he gets home, he will feed them, so. Let me figure this out and I'll come back. Okay, y'all. Here are the lights at night. Ouch. I'm running into stuff. But it actually brightens up things out here a whole lot at night, because the only light that we had was this one little light there. So it wasn't much light, but now you can see. And we may end up getting a second set of these lights to connect, or we have some others that we might connect to them. We'll see. We haven't decided yet, but thought I'd show y'all. Look very nice.